Today we study the exercise 1.2. Question first is to construct the truth table of given statement pattern. Example 1, P implies Q and Q. Therefore we draw the truth table of the given statement pattern. P, Q, P implies Q, P implies Q and Q. And if we give the name of column as A, B, therefore B implies A. B implies A. B means this column, this statement pattern, and for P it is A. Now T, yup, T up, T up. One way implications, T up is yup, otherwise true. This column conjunctions with and, therefore T, otherwise yeah. B implies A, means T up is yup. P implies Q means T up is yup, otherwise true. Last column is TT, FT. It is a truth table of given example number 1. Now example number 2. In example 2, P negation Q and Q, therefore P, Q, negation P, negation Q, P or negation Q, P or negation Q and Q. We give the column A and second is B, therefore A and B. Similarly, TT, yup, T up. If we interchange these two, nothing, you can write first or second what you want. Therefore negations P means yup, T, negations Q, yup, T, P or negations Q, or yup, otherwise T. Now P or negation Q and Q, P or negations Q and Q, T, otherwise all are yups, yup. Now A and B in conjunction, both the statements are true, then final statement is true, otherwise false. Yup. It is in bracket negation. In third example, we see that P implies negation of in bracket Q and R. That means there are P, Q, R, 3 statement letters. Therefore, if there are 3 statement letters, then we have 8 columns. Because 2 raised to power 3 equal to 8. Therefore, the size of the rows means horizontal lines are 8. P, Q, R. Therefore, 4 are true. T, and 4 are false. Yup. Out of 4, 2 are TT. Yup. In last, T, yup, T and yup. Q and R, if both the statements are true, then final statement is true. Otherwise, all statements are false. Yup. Both are true, means T and T. Otherwise, all statements are false. Negation of Q and R is yup, T, yup, T, T. Now P implies P one-way implications, negations Q and R. P one-way implications means this and this column we have one-way implication, but first is P. Therefore T up, yeah. Then T up, no other T up. Therefore up, T, 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 and T. Therefore, if we see last column, there is only up and alls are tree. But we can construct the truth table by using definition. Without definition, if you not remember the definitions of conjunction, disjunctions, one-way implications, double implications and negations, we can't construct the truth table. Now, next example. Second example is, we have to show the given statement pattern is logically equivalent. We have to show first examples. Now, first example. We know that the definition of logical equivalence is that if two statement patterns, that means LHS and RHS, two statement patterns are said to be logically equivalent if and only if they have identical truth columns in their connective truth table. So we have to draw the connective truth table of the given LHS and RHS. Now there are P, Q, P and Q, negation P and Q, P or Q, negation P, P or Q, and negations P. Compare A and B. We have to compare the column of A and B first. Therefore T, T, yup, yup, T, yup, T, yup, T, 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 otherwise yup. Negations means yup, T, 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 P or Q. In or both are false, then final statement is false, otherwise all statements are true. Negation of P is yup, yup, T, T. Now P or Q and negations P. There is a and T, 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 otherwise yup. Otherwise yup. We observe yup. If we observe the column A and B, we know here is FTT, here is FFTF. Therefore, columns are not identical. Therefore, the given statement pattern P and Q is not logically equivalent to P or Q and negations P. Negations P. Now we see the second example. We see the second example. P, Q, R. P or Q implies P or Q. P or Q implies R. P implies R. Q implies R. In second example, there are P, Q, R, 3 atomic statements. Therefore, there are 8 rows. 4 are true, 4 are false. We construct the truth table as per rule. Now, P or Q. We use the definitions of OR. For OR, if both the statements are false, then final statement is false. If both are false, for P or Q, FF, otherwise true. Now, P or Q implies R. P or Q implies R. T up, T up, T up, otherwise T. P implies R. P implies R. T up, T up, Next, T up, yeah, T up, yeah, T up, P implies R, T, yeah, T, yeah, second and fourth, otherwise all are true. Now Q implies R, Q implies R, T, yeah, second, first is true, then true, true, true. Therefore T up, yeah, otherwise true. Means in second Q implies R, T up, second, then T up means 6, yeah. P implies R and Q implies R. There is a conjunction T, 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 and T, 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 last T, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Now T up, T up, T up, T, T, T up, T up, T up, T, T. Column A and B have same identical values. Same identical values. Therefore, given SP is logically equivalent. Logically equivalent. Third example is negations P or Q or P or Q and R implies R. We have to show LHS equal to RHS. As per rule PQR there are 3 means 8 rows. 4 are true, 4 are false. Next TT, FF. Last one is T up, T up, T up. Now P or Q means both are true. P or Q means the table of disjunctions. If both are false, then final statement is false. Now we see that F here, P or Q. F. Now negation of P or Q is F. T. Now we use the simple method here. We can write we can give the number to the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to avoid the more writing. We can use the number now. Now we can write negation of P or Q means 5 or 4. 5 numbers means negation of P or Q or 4 means P or Q. There is a or. In or we know that F, otherwise true. Here F, no F, otherwise true. Now 6 and 3. If both the statements are true, then final statement is true. True, false, true, 6 and 3. T up. We observe the column. We have to column 3 and 7 have identical truth values. And therefore given negation of P or Q and R is logically equivalent to R. Now question 3 is we have to examine the given statement pattern is either tautology or contradiction or contingency. The values, that means the definitions of the contradiction, contingency and tautology, it depends on the last column of the given statement pattern. So we have to first draw the or prepare the truth table of each statement pattern. Example number 1, we prepare the truth table of P, Q, P and Q, Q or P, P and Q implies Q or P. T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F, T, 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 otherwise false. Q or P, F, 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 otherwise true. P and Q implies Q or P, T, F, F, otherwise true. As all the entries in the last columns are true, therefore the statement pattern is tautology. The statement pattern is tautology. Next, all entries in last column are true, hence given SP is tautology. Given SP is tautology. Next example is negations Q implies P. Next, P, Q, R, negation P, negation P implies Q, P and R, negation P implies Q and P and R. Now as there are P, Q, R are 3 statement letters, therefore there are 8 horizontal lines. T, 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 yup, 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 yup. T, T, yup, yup. T, T, yup, yup. T up, T up, T up, T up. Negation P means yup, 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 yup. T, 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 T. Negation P implies Q. Negation P implies Q means T up, T, T up, yup, T up, yup. Otherwise, all are true. Now P and R, P and R, T, T, T. P and R, T, T, T. Otherwise, all are yup. Now negation Q implies P and P and R, that 2 columns we compare and using the conjunction and. If T, 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 yup, T, all are yup. One, two, three, 3, 6, 2, 8. 8. P implies Q and T and R. We prepare the truth table. Now we observe the last column. In last column there are not all T's nor all F. Therefore given statement pattern is given SP is contingency. Given SP is contingency. Now we see the third example. Q, negation Q, P and negation Q. P implies Q. A implies B. हाँ कर चलो. Now we third